Before we get started with today's drone footage, I couldn't help but show off this black bear that was hanging around the cabin. I know this is a little off topic, but I absolutely love all animals, including bears, and let's face it, it's pretty freaking awesome. Don't worry guys, I'll only be blabbering on for a little bit, but I figured I'd give you some information about the area first. This is the town of Blue Ridge, located in northern Georgia in the Appalachian Mountains. The mountains surrounding Blue Ridge actually do tend to have a bit of a bluish tint. As you can see right here, this is actually due to all the pheromones released by the plants in the area. This here just happens to be the cabin that we were staying at for the past 5 days. Obviously, I could never afford to live there, but it is an absolutely beautiful place to just stay for a couple days. And in case if anybody's wondering, yes, the drive up there is absolutely terrifying. Here you could get a nice view of all the other cabins in the area and the terrifying road up. This area happens to be home to a variety of different animals ranging from deer to rattlesnakes and of course the bear that you guys saw earlier. This is definitely one of my favorite places to go wildlife-wise and also scenery-wise, and I'm just so happy I got to have 2 amazing vacations in one summer. Because of the town's higher elevation, sunsets are a lot quicker, but in turn, with all the mountains, it just becomes so much more beautiful. This location's beauty also happens to be highlighted by its unique plant life. A large proportion of the plants here happen to be endemic to only this area. This is because of the higher elevation causing a much cooler climate than the rest of the southeastern United States. Another feature which adds to the town's uniqueness is its very small population, which is only made up of around 1,500 residents, with the rest of the humans in the area mostly being tourists coming to see the town's gorgeous scenery, in which the drone footage is about to get way better in just a minute.